Good morning, ma'am and my dear friends. My name is Utkar Singh Tomar. I study in class 1st. I am 6 years old. Today I am going to show you magic of science. We all know air is everywhere. Air has oxygen gas. All living things take oxygen gas. But you know, fire is also need oxygen to burn. How? Let's see. First, I will light up the candle. Now you can see candles are burning. Now I will cover the candle with the glass. You can see candle is not burning now. We can say due to absence of air, oxygen gas. So now fire is also need oxygen to burn. Thank you, man. Thank you.